Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain. Today we learn the concept of surds and indices. So what is surds? Surds are the irrational numbers which are the roots of the positive integers and the value of the roots cannot be determined. So the surds have infinite non-recurring decimal, that is the irrational number. For example, square root of 3, cube root of 7, fourth root of 19, 16 raised to 2 by 5 and etc. all are the surds example. Now, what is indices? This is the plural form of the index, and power is nothing but index or exponent of a number. Let us see the examples. So laws of indices. There are some laws of indices. First law is a to the power m. This is a exponent or a power. This is a indices. A to the power m into a to the power n, which is equals to a to the power m plus n. Because the base are same, so adding the power, that is equals to a to the power m plus n. So second law is that a to the power m upon a raised to n, which is equals to, so base is the same, again a to the power m upon a to the power n, that's why which is equals to a to the power m minus n. So third law is that a raised to m to the power n, which is equals to a raised to m into n. So power of the power, that's why multiplying both the power. Next law is that ab raised to n, which is equals to, split this power of both the number, a raised to n into b raised to n. Next is that a upon b raised to n, which is equals to a raised to n upon b raised to n. Next, a raised to 0 is equals to 1. Any number raised to the power 0, which is equals to 1. And the last one, a raised to minus n, which is equals to 1 upon a raised to n. Now, in the next, laws of surds. So first law is that nth root of a, which is equals to a to the power 1 upon n. That is, the surds part can be written as fractional power. This is a surd part can be written as a fractional power. Next, nth root of ab is equals to nth root of a into nth root of b. Next is that nth root of a upon b, which is equals to, split this root, nth root of a upon nth root of b. Next is that nth root of a to the power n, which is equals to, again same. So surds part can be written as a fractional form. So a to the power 1 upon n into n, which is equals to a. So n get cancelled, and which is equals to a. So nth root of a, which is equals to, again same, multiplying both roots, mn root of a, and the last one is nth root of a to the power m, which is equals to nth root of a to the power m. Now example is that the value of 10 raised to 150 divided by 10 raised to 146 is what? Again there are 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. So given expression is that 10 raised to 150 divided by 10 raised to 146, which is equals to. So by using the laws of indices is that a to the power m upon a to the power n. So base is the same, which is equals to a to the power m minus n, that is equals to. So this term can be written as 10 raised to 150 divided by, so this is divided by 10 raised to 146, which is equals to. So there again by using laws of indices, so base is the same, that is 10. That's why 10 raised to m minus n, it means 150 minus 146, which is equals to 10 raised to 4, and this is equals to 10,000. So answer B is the correct option. So next, simplify 25 raised to the power 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 divided by 125 to the power 1.5, which is equals to 5 raised to what? Again there are 5 options are given here. A is 8.5, B is 13, C is 16, D is 17.5 and E is none of these. So there are many operations are used here. Let us see the solution. This is a given expression. Then, so first term is that 25. This 25 can be written as a 5 square to the power 7.5. This is a 7.5 into 5 raised to 2.5 as it is 5 raised to 2.5 divided by, that's why divided by 125 can be written as a 5 cube to the power 1.5, which is equals to 5 to the power, let it as x. So this question mark consider as x. In the next step, so by using these laws of indices, a to the power m to the power n. So power of power multiplying both power is equals to a to the power mn. That's why can be written as 5 to the power 2 into 7.5. So power of power, that's why multiplication is that 5 to the power 2 into 7.5 into this term is as it is 5 raised to 2.5 divided by 5 raised to 3 into 1.5, which is equals to 5 raised to x, which is implies that, so multiplying this term 5 raised to 15 into 5 raised to 2.5 divided by 5 raised to 4.5, which is equals to 5 raised to x. So observe this term, all base are equal. So in the next step, so a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equals to a raised to m plus n. That's why, so in the numerator adding the powers and in the denominator a raised to m upon a raised to n, this is a division rule of this indices, which is equals to a raised to m minus n, where base is the same. So all base are equals. That's why using this law 5 raised to 15 plus 2.5 minus 4.5, which is equals to 5 raised to x, which is implies that 5 raised to 13 is equals to 5 raised to x. Again base are the same, so comparing this power, that's why x is equals to 13 and answer B is a correct option. So next, simplify 6 root 2 into 3 root 8 is equals to what? Again 4 options are given here. A is a 72, B is a 2 root 5, C is a 8 and D is a 6 root 2. Let us see the solution. So given expression is that 6 root 2 into 3 root 8, which is equals to, first we multiply the 6 into 3, 6 into 3, because these two numbers take outside of the square root, into multiplying the square root term root 2 into root 8. In the next step 6 into 3 is 18 into square root of 16, which is equals to 18 into square root of 16 is what? 4. That is equals to 18 into 4 is a 72. Answer is A. This is A is a correct option. So in the next video lecture, we learn the another concept of the aptitude with examples. Okay, thank you.